Alright, let me show you what we got going on today. Negative 11 out here, but we got these over-the-tire Grouser tracks for the Case 1845C. Got them on auction for like $100, but they are very wore out, and I didn't get the master links, so need to make some bushings and replace some of the hardware on here, because as you can see, some of this stuff is completely wore out. You can see it started to wear into the carriage bolt that holds everything together. Well, the way this works is, you know, these links go through here. There's a bushing that sits in there, and then the carriage bolt comes through from this side through the square hole, and you can adjust each one of these links by up to like an inch. And then on the other side, there's just two holes with the, you know, for the lock nut to go on. So I got some new lock nuts here and new carriage bolts, but I need to make some of these spacers to replace the ones that are worn out and the ones that are missing. So let me show you how I'm doing this. I got things set up over here, so just been using this steel blank. Load it up in the lathe here. I'm gonna do this with one hand, but tighten that up. Bring the carriage in here. So first thing we're gonna do is just face this off. Just get everything square. I don't have 220 here, or I mean, don't have three phase, so I just had this bond hooked up to a VFD. So got it in forward, we'll turn it on here. And then just auto feed. I just move the carriage over so it's out of the way for the next operation here. And then the tailstock. I've been starting with a smaller pilot drill bit. Okay, put that in place. Lock the tailstock down. I do have a center drill, but that's just an extra step, so fuck that. Slowly feeding it in by hand. Yeah, it's 54 degrees in here. I just have the little electric heater up there. This whole garage is, I spray foam the ceiling, so keeps it a little warmer in here. And the walls just have insulation behind the particle board too. So I'm just watching this dial here on the tailstock, and I usually just do about 1 inch at a time and then cut the section off. Just back it out once in a while. Put some oil on there. Alright, so we're at about 1.5 inches. I started with 1/2 inch stick out. So back this out of the hole, loosen the tailstock up, slide this thing back, and then if you just, wind this wheel all the way back, it'll pop that chuck out. Come over here, grab the larger size, and then it's just an NT3 taper, so you just slam it in there. Pop this back in place, tighten the tailstock up, and then feed this bone in. So there's 144 of these on that whole track length. Obviously, I don't think I'm going to do them all. Just going to try to replace the ones that are real bad. So, get that out of the way. We can shut this down. Move the carriage out of there. And then bring this over to bandsaw, and I have just a little mark here so I can get the length correct. And the length, you can see with this one, these are a little bit wider than the section of the other length, so that when you clamp the bolts and everything together, this spacer is actually sandwiched here so that it's not grabbing onto the link. Some of these, I don't know if they weren't tight enough or what, because the one that has really bad wear here, this bolt must have been, no, actually it probably just wore through. I don't know if this one came out of the same one that had the wear on the bolt. Well, anyways, this is the process. It takes about, I don't know, 8 minutes per part. And then after this cuts all the way through, it just shuts off. And there we go. And I just have to clean that little burr up. But that one's done. Alright, I'll probably make another video once I head this thing back together. This is what I used to plow the driveway, and we've got quite a bit of snow here in the past week, so just tires aren't quite cutting it anymore. Need the tracks on there. Alright, I'm going to end this video here. Thanks for watching.